Welcome to my channel. Today I want to share an assignment presentation on the basic definition of electronic component. Number 1. Non-polar capacitor is a type of capacitor where the material is made of ceramic, film, and nickel. This type of capacitor is usually used for circuit with high frequency. The size is in unit of picofarad, nanofarad, millifarad, and the large is microfarad. Number 2. Polar capacitor, type of electrolytic capacitor that has polarization pole positive and negative pole negative. From the result of electrolysis, a metal plate is produced as an anode. We know that from the result of electrolysis, a metal plate is produced as an anode. A layer of metal oxide and electrolyte as a cathode to form the capacitor component. This capacitor has a large capacitance but a small shape. The shape of polar capacitor Elco capacitors has a various size of 100 UF, 470 UF, 4700 UF, and many more. Number 3. Diode. A diode is an electronic semiconductor component that has two terminals, a cathode and anode. The main function of a diode is to allow electronic current to flow in only one direction while blocking current in the opposite direction. This is due to conductive and non-conductive properties of the semiconductor in the diode. Number 4. LED. LED stands for light emitting diode, which is an electronic semiconductor that produces light when an electric current passes through the diode material. Its function is to produce light in various applications such as lighting, status indicator, electronic display, and more. LEDs are used in a variety of devices, including energy-saving lamp, television screen, cell phone screen, indicator on electronic device, and notification light on devices such as smartphone and computer. LED are often used due to their high energy efficiency and longevity compared to conventional light. Number 5. Optocoupler. Optocoupler definition and working principle. In the world of electronic, optocoupler is also known as optoisolator, photocoupler, or optical isolator. Optocoupler is an electronic component that functions as a connector based on optical light. Basically, the optocoupler consists of two main parts, namely the transmitter, which functions as an optical light sender, and the receiver, which functions as a light source detector. Each part of the optocoupler, transmitter and receiver, does not have a direct conductive circuit relationship but is made in such a way in one component package. Number 6. Photoresistor. Definition. A light-sensitive resistor or photoresistor is an electronic component whose resistance will decrease if there is an increase in the intensity of lighting hitting it. Photoresistor can also refer to light-dependent resistors, LDRs, or photoconductors. The function of a photoresistor or LDR in an electronic circuit in a lamp as an automatic switch. Number 7. Potentiometer. A potentiometer is a three-terminal resistor with a sliding connection that forms a tunable voltage divider. If only two terminals are used, one of the fixed terminal and the sliding terminal, the potentiometer are act as variable resistor or rheostat. Potentiometers are commonly used to control electronic devices such as sound controllers in amplifier. Number 8. Relays. Definition of relay and its function. Relay is an electrically operated switch and is an electromechanical component consisting of two main parts, namely electromagnet coil and mechanical, a set of switch contact. Relay use the electromagnetic principle to move the switch contact so that will a small electric current, low power, can deliver higher voltage electricity. For example, with a relay that use 5 volt and 50 milliampere, electromagnet are able to move the relay armature, which function as a switch to deliver 20 to 100 volt to ampere electricity. Number 9. Resistors. Resistors are electronic components that have two pins and are designed to regulate voltage and current. Resistors have a certain resistance value that can produce an electric voltage between the two pins, where the voltage value against the resistance is directly proportional to the current flowing, based on Ohm law equation. Number 10. Stepper motor. Stepper motor is one type of DC motor that is controlled by digital pulses. The working principle of a stepper motor is to work by converting electronic pulses into discrete mechanical movement, where the stepper motor moves based on the sequence of pulses given to the stepper motor. Number 11. Switch. A switch is a device used to disconnect an electrical network or to connect it. So the switch is basically a tool to connect or disconnect the flow of electricity. In addition to strong current electrical network, small shape switches are also used for weak current electronic component tools. The following is a picture of the switch and the symbol below. And the last, number 12, transistors. Transistors are semiconductor components that are widely used in various electronic circuits. There are many functions of transistors, such as current amplifier, breaker, connector, voltage stability, and signal modulation. Okay, that's all the explanation from me. Basic definition of electronic component. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to support this channel, subscribe and like. Thank you very much. See you again.